Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to add objectives on your Roblox game, then this video is for you. So right now I'm on the Roblox Studio. So first you have to do is simply click on the toolbox here, or you can find in the bottom here, and from here you have to go to the creator store. When you are on creator store, make sure that you have set it to models. Now search for the objective kits here. So search for it, objective kit, hit enter, and you can find the objective kit from here. Different types of objective kit from here that you can collect. So I'm going to go with this one here. So you have to simply click on it and you can say okay, and here you can see add it here. So I'm going to place it in this section here. Yeah, so here is 3 pieces of code in here. So you can find the objective kit from here. So you have to expand that section from here. Let me show you. Just expand that section, and when you expand this objective kit here, you can find the replicated storage and some other files here. So you have to do is you have to place this 4 file to their exact place. So for example, the replicated storage, and you can find the replicated storage here. So you have to paste, you have to drag it to the replicated storage here, just like this. When you have pasted it here, then again for same for the server script storage, you have to place it at the server script service here, or the storage, sorry for that here, server storage here. Then do the same for starter GUI. You can find the starter GUI file here, you place it on the starter GUI, and again same the workspace, you can find the workspace here, and yes, just like this. Now you have to do is now click on each file. You have to right click on each file, and you can find ungroup option. Simply click on ungroup, and again you can go to the replicated storage. You can also go with Ctrl+G to ungroup this here. Also you can right click on it and you can easily click on ungroup here. It is ungrouped here, sorry for that. You have to Ctrl+U, actually you have to simply click on Ctrl+U, sorry for that, Ctrl+U, and it will ungroup here. And here the starter the server storage also ungrouped here, and the starter GU, Ctrl+U to ungroup this here, just like this. Now here you can see all of these are ungrouped here. And now you can do is simply go to the each and every, you have to simply double click on it, or you can go to the part here or the wooden piece here. You can find the proximity prompt here. Also it's from here, if you double click on it, you can find the script, and you can find this tools here, so where you can change the object that according to yourself. You can change this code according to yourself, that wait for child here correct, or thing recurring, or amount collected. Here is the prompted that after each and every objective completed. And also you can make more here. So for example, let me show you. So if you double click on it, sorry for this objective setup here, double click on it, and when you are on objective setup, you can find the current name of that, like think require here. You can amount require here, you can change the requirement, and you can change the name. For example, not wood, it could be something like energy. For example, energy, hit enter. Oh, sorry for that, energy, and you can make it 5 here. So 5, so it will, you can see here the wood here, you have to add 5 wood. So for example, they need 5, so I'm going to add 6 here. So 1 2 3, we have added 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6 here. So they have to collect 5 of them. Just like this, you can customize your script here for each and every objective here. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.